Hello, you guys, welcome back to this channel. Today, let's talk about our supermodel slash killer queen story about her. But before I jump into the story, I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. I hope you guys are nurturing yourself and raising your frequency and vibration and choosing awesome meal for yourselves, because obviously the world's current right now energy can drain you heavily until unless you raise your frequency and your vibration. Now let's begin with the story. Meet the secretary bird. From a distance, it looks like an elegant, high fashion supermodel walking the African savanna. But up close, it is a cold blooded assassin, and it possesses a lethal skill that holds a vital lesson for your life. Most birds fly away from venomous snake. The secretary bird walks right into their territory. It doesn't hunt from the safety of the sky. It fights on the ground. When it encounters a deadly viper, it doesn't panic. It uses long legs to deliver a stomp with 5 times its own body weight. It hits the snake's head in just 15 milliseconds, faster than a human can blink. It plays a high stake game where one single mistake means instant death. Here is the fascinating part. The secretary bird has huge wings and is perfectly capable of flying away wherever things get tough. Yet, it chooses to spend its entire life walking up to 20 miles a day on the ground. It owns the sky, but it commits to the dirt. It knows that its true power, its food, and its purpose can only be found by facing the danger on the ground head on. Now, this supermodel killer queen, she's telling us, you guys, too many of us live our lives with our wings out, looking for the easiest, fastest escape route. And the moment a problem shows up, we fly away from discomfort. But just like the secretary bird, your growth isn't in the clouds of comfort, it's down in the dirt where the battles are fought. You cannot stomp out your problems if you are constantly flying away from them. So, you guys, stop looking for the emergency exit. Stand your ground, face your fear, and crush your challenges with absolute focus. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in another video. Until then, stay well and stay curious.